So I encourage you to apply today and learn more, because here's the fact. There is 4 main outcomes, whether it's 6, 12 months, 36 months, whatever your timeline is, there's 4 main outcomes for your business. Here's becoming a commodity. It's not the place you want to be. You're fighting for price. It is a tough slog to run your business. Then there's the second outcome, which is you become a contender in your market. You do 1, maybe 2 things a little different than the competition. You stand out a bit. Still not a great place to be. It is hard to run your business as a contender. Then there's another outcome, which is much better, but it's still not the best, which is you become on the cusp of the market. You're the top 3 to 5 key players in your industry. You get a bit more profits, a bit more predictability in your business. But where you really want to be, this is the obvious choice in your market. And in the Product-Led Academy, what we've designed is a program that is engineered to help increase your odds of becoming the obvious choice in your specific market. So here's how a typical month will look like. For the first week, every single Monday, you're going to get access to new content that you can implement inside your company. You can implement that, share the results in our community. And then on Thursdays, we're going to have that call where we can go through and implement this inside your business and actually give you feedback on what you need to improve. And that is what we found has helped companies really succeed and adopt product-led growth for their business much faster than anything else. When you join the program, here's the best part. It's 0 risk. You can love it or leave it in the first 3 weeks. And if you're not 100% sold that this is the right strategy for your business, we will give you the 100% money back guaranteed. So we really stand behind what we do in our program. So we've covered a lot in this masterclass. We've discussed what are some of the main benefits of product-led, what it even means to be product-led, effortless and recurring revenue, how to unlock lean scale for your business, and durable growth. But if there's one thing I want to leave you with, it's this. Your product-led growth will only be as good as your product-led organization, because your product-led organization supports your product-led growth motion. How do you create that synergy between PLG and your product-led organization so you can truly become product-led and scale up easier, more effectively, have more time, instead of just slaving away trying to grow a business that is really, really hard to grow? So as we recap here, I want to challenge you to implement the product-led system in your business so that you can become the obvious choice in your market.